Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do this video and just share with you guys some of the things I've been going through in my personal life. I'm going to be sharing with you guys about my depression. If you guys follow me on my other social media accounts, I did tell you guys that I've been going through a lot lately. Whenever I'm going through this type of feelings, I don't like to do any videos because I'm just a hot mess. Maybe this will help some of you who going through things like that. Let me just give you guys a little backtrack of how I end up in this mess. I was diagnosed with depression 3 years ago. So anytime I'm going through something, I always like to go online and, you know, just read other things that other people are going through just to make sure I don't have the same type of symptoms that they have. I was in a car accident a couple years ago in 2008. After that accident, everything just fall apart. My body start reacting very funny. I start having more pains than usual. I have a lot of back pains. I have a lot of migraines. The migraines is so bad to the point where I can't do anything. I have to be in bed most of the time. And that's one of the reasons I really don't do too much videos as before, because sometimes I do at least 7 videos Saturdays and Sundays. That's the only time I have to record for you guys. I did everything that my doctors asked me to do, but after a few years I start getting the pain again. Another thing that really gets to me and I go into that depression mode is how people treated me in the past and now. I'm gonna do another video maybe after this, and I will do a story time, and probably I will touch on one of the things that I'm talking about right now. I'm a very nice person to the people that I talk to. One of my friends need help, I always reach out, I always try to help them. But I just think that over the years, I just start to see the people that I thought was my friends, the people I thought that I trusted. I don't even talk to them anymore because I don't feel the need to have any conversation or have a friendship with them anymore. Because if you can't be there for me, why should I be there for you? So these are the things that really gets to me sometimes. 2017 was very rough for me. A really bad place in my life where I wasn't talking to anyone, even my mother. I was not even reaching out to her. My phone would be off. I don't want to talk to anybody because I don't feel the need to talk to anybody, and I don't want to tell anyone about my personal life or anything that's going on with me because people will judge you. For the past couple weeks, I've been going through a lot. I just went into that space again where I really didn't understand why this person did this to me. Put myself out there to help people, and just thinking about the car accident and, you know, all of that, I feel like my heart was about to just pop out. I went to see my doctor and she just looked at me and she's like, "What is going on with you, girl?" And me and my doctor, we have a very good relationship. So I have that relationship with her where I could talk and I could be open. And when I spoke to her about the issues that I've been having, she gave me a nice big hug that I wanted, and I just break down, and she just like, "It's gonna be okay." I'm telling you guys, and like I'm tearing up. And I never thought that I would ever go into that hole again, because I promised myself in 2017 I would not want to see myself there anymore at all. When I talked to my doctor about everything, she just recommended that just take out the people that hurt you in your life. Don't associate yourself with people like that. And I know all of this, but sometimes when you are friends with people for so long, it's hard. It's hard to just turn that off. It's not that easy. And I'm the person, like, I like to give you probably 10 chances, and just seeing myself going there again, it was so hurtful. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't eating, I wasn't sleeping, I was up all night just pacing back and forth, and I'm like, what the hell I'm doing? I have work in the morning. Get you into that place where you're thinking about killing yourself, that no one loves you, no one is there for you. You just think that the world is just ended. The people that you trusted is not even like your friends, or they can't be trusted. You know, you can't even reach out to your family because you don't want them to judge you. And that's why I don't really talk about my personal life or anything with anyone beside my mother. For the past 3 years, my mom always telling me, "You need to go to therapy." I'm like, no. We Caribbean people don't go to no damn therapy. We always think that we don't need help. We always think that we could handle things on our own. But sometimes in life, you can't handle anything on your own. If you had someone that close to or someone you could trust, you could open that to them and you could tell them the things that you're going through. I've been there before and I was judged. People call me stupid, people call me all type of names, and I'm like, okay, you're supposed to be my friend and I'm opening out to you and this is what it is. Okay, no problem. So I stopped telling people about my personal business. I stopped even associating myself and just opening up. I took my mom's advice and I asked my doctor for help. It's kind of hard talking to a stranger. And after a few weeks, I start feeling more better about myself. I could open to her even more. How I get my depression together is I try to stay away from negativity. I try to stay away from anybody that gonna bring me down. It took me a really long time to realize that I'm not the issue here. I'm not at fault. Why am I blaming myself for other people's behavior? Life is sweet, life is good. And I took my therapist's advice and I start writing down the things that bothers me and I fix that. I try to write everything that happened to me for the past 3-4 years ago that still is on my mind, and the car accident, and see how I could work with that. I take on too much thing at the same time. Sometimes it's easy to just say this, but it's hard to even do it. So I'm learning to just let it go. You don't have no control of anything. You know who you are as a person, and don't try to change for anybody because people gonna be people. People gonna let you down, and that's what I do. I repeat those things in the mirror, and what I try to do now, I try to smile more. I try to just be me, and I'm not gonna change for anybody. There's things that I still working on, and I'm still trying to work on this whole depression thing because I'm still new at it. Going to therapy really helped me a lot, and that's why I could just come to you guys and just talk and just tell you guys, say, hey, yeah, I am going through problems. I have depression. I go through my shit. What am I supposed to do? I'm human. We all go through it. That's just life. A stranger that you don't even know will treat you better than the people that you actually know. And that's the honest truth. I'm trying to be in a happy place, a more happy place now, and try to associate myself more with more positive people. And, you know, don't try to take it on too much. And the thing that I do in my mirror every single day when I look at that beautiful face, I'm like, girl, you are the bomb.com. Don't let anybody steal your shine. You know what I'm saying? You guys come on my channel and you guys expect me, not the fake person, the real me. So when I'm going through my things, I just don't like to come on camera. And I hope you guys understand that. I just want this thing to go back to the pit of hell and just leave me alone. I accepted God in my life and I believe in God. I believe in Him every single day. He wakes me up every day. He sends me to work and He brings me back home safe. If you have depression, guys, don't be scared to talk to someone. That's the best thing you could do for yourself, is to talk to your doctor and let them know what you're going through in your life. Don't sit there and deal with this thing on your own. I hope this video helped you in some type of way. Leave a comment below and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.